talk about the number line, which is here, number line. So the 0 is always the origin. Everything to the right is positive, 1, 2, 3. Everything to the left is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And it's the same thing here. Everything on the top is positive, everything at the bottom is negative. So on page 13 and 14, you can read this. On page 14, example 2 has asked you to plot negative 5 for A, B is 3, C is 1, 1/2, D is 0, E is negative 1. So negative 5 is on that side. It'll be negative 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5 right there, little dot. B is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, little dot here. 0 is right here in the origin. Okay, negative 1 is E right here, and you can label these E. Negative 5 was A, B was 3, etc. All right. So you're gonna have some exercise. You're gonna work on the exercises on page 7 and 8. You finish that, and the other ones that we made copies of. I think 13 and 14. If not, I made copies of it, and we'll work on 26, 27, 28. So we're gonna talk about absolute value. Whenever you think of absolute value, you have these two vertical lines, and absolute value just means whatever's in here is always gonna become positive. Okay, but if there's a sign outside, then that sign will stay the same. So absolute value of 6 is 6. Absolute value of negative 5 is going to be 5 because anything in here is going to turn positive. Absolute value of 7, but has a negative there, is negative 7. And the absolute value of negative 7 with a negative outside, again, is going to be negative 7. So if you want to add an absolute value of 7 plus the absolute value of negative 7, the answer is going to be 7 plus absolute value of negative 7 is 7, which equals 14. If we do absolute value of negative 8 plus absolute value of 8, what's the answer going to be? Well, negative 8 is a positive 8, but it's really a negative 8 because on the outside, plus 8, so the answer is 0. So you may have some exercises there. So it's pretty straightforward. So I just talked about the number line, and I just discussed a little bit absolute value, which is on page 16. Okay, thanks.